Hello guys, many people have this issue with the Land Cruiser. It's not an issue, but they are like how to get to the two bolts in the gearbox, the housing, the two bolts in the top of the engine. Those who are back here and in the other side, so they're thinking, oh hell, how to get there. So if you get here, it's not easy either. And the same from the other side. The bolts are right there up. So what to do is you have to take all the bolts from here, the cross member, and take the gearbox some centimeter down. You see here and there, so you have a little bit of space upside. It's my dog, so I show you. So you have to take bring some lights. You have to take high and low gear, and you have to take the gear stick. Here it is. It's like a G hole on it. So what you have to do, push it. You push this section, push it down, and then you have to turn it so it's pop out, and you just have to take it off. And remember, it needs to be in neutral, so it's easier. I bring the light. So you take off the sticks, so it's more space, and you see the gearbox is 10 centimeter or maybe more down, so you have more space. So you can have 17 socket and 2 extensions. I show you here. You fit it just like here, like this, and all the way out. You need to have another guy in the front of the car so he can guide, because I can't see from here. And you start turning and take it off, and then you take off all the bolts, and then the gearbox is out, or the engine is out, if you want to take the engine or the gearbox. I have reached